continuing the water test, pipes and plumbing test on a rehab we're gonna do. Want to test out what's going on with the tubs and the sinks as much as we can to determine if there are any other leaks. But this is a first floor tub that we are testing. So far, gallon goes down easy. Yup. No clogs on this tub on our bathroom here. No clog. I want to recap, cover up this hole so debris doesn't go back in there. You see that cap I threw in there? Just a lid from some other bottle. There was a shower head up in here, so that means there's a pipe behind that wall we're going to have to find. Broken toilet. This was broken way after. I really don't think there's too much water damage on this floor. This could actually, though, be where some of this kitchen water damage came from. Maybe it could be, but here we go. How'd that go?